Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to close your Upstart account after loan repayment. So once you've paid off your loan, you may want to close your Upstart account. So here's how to do that. Now the first thing you got to do is to confirm that your loan is fully paid. Log into your Upstart account on Upstart's website and check for a zero balance and ensure that there's no remaining fees or interest that are due. Next, you're going to contact Upstart to request account closure. So call or email customer support to request account deactivation. And you're going to need to provide the loan details and verification information to the representative. Next, you're going to monitor your credit report. So check that your Upstart loan is marked as paid in full on your credit report. And if it's not updated after 60 days, you can dispute it with the credit bureaus. That's pretty much it on the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information useful enough. Pretty simple and straightforward. If you did like it, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.